Yo, Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video. In today's video, well, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the videos, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like the videos, hit the thumbs down. Share, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Today, we're just going to talk about, I did a video like this a little while ago, just really talking about what's going on in the industry. Company by company, what's going on. So first, and this video comes from the greediness of me being a customer, a frequent buyer of clippers, and clippers that I'm waiting on that have been teased to us and still have yet to drop. So we're going to start with one of the main ones I'm waiting on, and that's from Wahl. A lot of us are waiting on the Wahl Legend to drop, the cordless Wahl Legend. A lot of us have seen people using the cordless Wahl. Shout out to Jay Blends. He actually grabbed one from a Wahl person, and I tried to slide in and get one, but can't find one. But just to Wahl. Maybe nobody from Wahl sees my videos, but if you do, what's happening? Like, what's going on with the release of this clipper that we have, I don't know, 6 months, a year been waiting on this clipper? I know a lot of people in a lot of companies blame or use the reasoning of coronavirus that, or COVID-19 or whatever, and it's slowing down a lot of production, which I understand that. But on the flip side, these companies are still releasing other items. You still have these items that you are still teasing that they're coming. At the release of on the day of this video, which is, I'm recording it November 2nd, there's still no release date given to us for the Wahl Legend. They told us that it was coming, then they pressed the date back. Then they told us it was coming, then they pushed the date back. And then you see them at shows selling them. They only have limited edition, which is fine. But if that's the case, I think maybe tell us that it is a limited release. Or tell us that, hey, at the moment, we got this, and this happening. These are how they're going to roll out. But instead, Wahl continues to say, hey, hype, this, dropping. And when they don't, it's, hey, hype, this is dropping. Right? Which, if that's how you're going to do it, that's how you're going to do it. But I think from a standpoint of some of these companies and some of these items, because if we're looking at the specs of the Wahl Legend, it's not like they're anything magnificent. It's still only 100 minutes of runtime. It's just the regular body. There's nothing really changing, but as a Wahl fan, I like Wahl. I still, no matter how many other clippers that I use, I still got 2 Wahl Magic clips on my station because I like the Magic clips. I'm a Wahl fan. So when you hype it and hype it and hype it, you get your customer hyped for it. But when you continue to drag it along, it kind of takes away from the hype of it. And then after a while, I'm just like, oh, well, when it comes, it comes. If it don't, it don't. But now, with that only being 100 minutes of runtime and this and the same motor of this and this, it kind of, I don't know. I'm hoping this makes sense. Anyway, I'm just talking now. I just want the Wahl Legend. If anybody can get me a Wahl Legend, brand new in the box, I seen one on eBay. Somebody was selling it for like $300, almost $400. Nah, fam, I'm good. But I seen them at trade shows. I've been to some shows and they have not had them at the ones I went to. I just want to grab one. All in all, I just want to buy one. I know it's not going to be nothing crazy, but I want one. That's it. I don't know what else is going on with Wahl. I know that's the main thing that they had the world hyped up for. So, cordless Legend, do I want it? Yes. Now, who else? Next, let's go to Stylecraft Gamma. As we all know, they have been on a roll lately, especially Stylecraft. Gamma hasn't really released a lot. I know it's the same company, but you know, it's a different company, right? So Stylecraft haven't really, Gamma hasn't dropped a lot. Stylecraft, on the other hand, has gave us the X Ergo, the Bushwhacker, the Slick Foils, the double magnetic guards. They are on a roll. Their next drop is the Rebel, which if y'all seen last week, I did an unboxing of the Rebel. This is actually the clipper that I'm working on and using at the moment to do a review. You can pre-order that right now at their website. Use my discount code, Cuts by Reggie, save you a couple dollars. All right. I do know they have a few other items dropping. I don't really know as much as their tech of everything, but I do know they have they got some apparel dropping, they got some hats coming, they got some new brushes, they got a few things. So shout out to Stylecraft. You're keeping the barber industry very happy at the moment. Thank you. Unlike Wahl. And now, Babyliss. The next things from Babyliss is the Low Pros. We all know they just brought out the FX3 collection, which is good. Clipper, okay. Trimmer, amazing, in my opinion. These right here, though, when these drop, these don't drop until February. But are they worth the wait? 1,000%. This right here, nice design, fits well in your hand, click lever. Got a little sound to it, nothing crazy, but got a little sound to it. Trimmer is loud. Trimmer is loud, but the trimmer works so good. All right. Babyliss did send this to me. So for those asking how did I get them, they sent them to me. When do they drop? February 2022. As far as anything else outside of the Low Pros, I don't know, but I'm gonna keep my eye out. I'm gonna keep my eye out and see what the heck is going on, because for them to have this right here, these are like, I know these clipper companies, they releasing a lot, but when I say these, after these and after the FX3s, they can kind of sit back for a second and just let the world Babyliss or something. I don't know. But that's what's coming from Babyliss in 2022, so you better look out. And now, this is just a quick video of what I know is coming from these companies. Barber might be able to tell you a little bit more. This is just what I've been hearing from certain places. So we got Wahl, who's holding out on the Wahl Legend. We have Stylecraft and Gamma, who has been dropping hit after hit after hit. If you don't know, they have the Mythic, they have the Saber, they have the Rebel, they have the Bushwhacker. They have a lot going on. Discount code Cuts by Reggie if you want to buy anything. Babyliss 2022, they're already gearing up. They're waiting. They're ready. All right. With some products, the Low Pros are very, very worth the wait. All right. The other companies, which I'm gonna go to JRL. JRL hasn't released anything new per se this year. They did bring out the 2020Cs and 2020T Gold collection, which I still use. Taper blade. I haven't put a fade blade on that one, but as of now, I know they're working on a shaver that hopefully will be released sometime next year. They haven't had a shaver drop, so they have a shaver dropping here soon. Andis gave us the T outliners, the GTX XO. Other than that, I don't think they're really gearing up to release anything drastic, anything new, anything groundbreaking. That's all the younger companies, newer companies. That's the Babyliss, that's the JRLs, that's the Calibers. Caliber has released the BMG 50 cal, which is one of my favorite clippers of the year. It's just top notch. It's top notch. That, excuse me, that and the Mythic from Stylecraft has been two great clippers to use this year. All right. So Andis, I don't know what they're doing outside of what they, drop in the XO. And then once we go to a Oster, like Wahl, they've told us that they have these cordless versions of the 76ers, of one of their liners. So I don't know. With them, I don't even, at least with Wahl, they gave us a date and then took it back and gave us another date, then took it back. With Oster, it's kind of just up in the air that they're coming. Don't know when. Don't know if it's by the end of the year or sometime next year, which I'll doubt it'll be this year. We're already in November, so I doubt it'll be this year. But who knows? Yeah. Outside of the actual clipper companies that I've been working on looking at and buying more from and purchasing more from to see about, we have Crazy Good, which is they have a box. It's a charger box where you go to their website, they have a drop menu, and it'll show you, it'll give you options of different ports to put in this box. And it saves up so much space on your station. You just put your clippers in that you want to use and boom, you got one cord. You got one cord. Also with that, you got the one charger, the multi-cord charger, right? Which is from my guy Yusuf in Atlanta, at Diamond Cuts in Atlanta. It's just one cord. It got multiple options to charge, different clippers, trimmers, and also have the phone chargers as well. iPhone, Android, any ones you want is also located on this. Of course, I did my review on my where I get my capes from, which is Clipper T. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down. Definitely get a cape from him. Also, I got my first Illusion cape. So I've been working with Clipper T, not working with, but I've been just getting all my stuff from Clipper T. He's been the guy that's been, that's just who I've been working with. So I didn't need an Illusion. Not saying that it's anything against them. I didn't think about getting from them because I already was getting my capes. But I got my first cape from Illusion. Great quality. Great quality. All right. So, yeah. So, all in all, when I make these videos, some people might not like them. I've heard people say I need to add more music. I need to do this. I just like to do these videos and give you things from my standpoint, from my view of the industry, from my usage of these clippers. So all this video is me just letting you know what may be coming from some of the clipper companies or from the companies that we're waiting on, whether it's a Wahl or Andis, JRL, Babyliss, Caliber. That's all I'm here to do. You know what I'm saying? Like I always put in my videos, you can like the videos, you can dislike the videos. I'm not a person who live or die by thumbs up or thumbs down. I just like to do this because it has opened up a wider community of people for me to talk to. All right. I've had people DM me or comment on my channel that I should do things this way. Why would you do this? Sometimes it lead into me not even wanting to talk to that person, or it might lead into me, hey, give me your opinion. I don't mind that. So, but also I like talking to the people who want to talk, not really coming with negative energy. You hear what I'm saying? That's who I definitely wouldn't mind talking to. I've met great people just through doing YouTube. That showed me that at the Tennessee Barber Expo. And it showed me that through the conversations that I have with people on Instagram. All right. So, yeah, still waiting on Wahl. Babyliss is dropping new. Caliber just dropped. Stylecraft is dropping new. If you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike the videos, dislike the videos. Comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you're not. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers. Got a nice giveaway plan. And I'm out. Peace.